Richtig. Then start. I think. This camera is very laggy, but okay, no. This one. No. There we go. Okay. Wait. Upside down cake? What just happened? What was that noise? Did my headphones just suddenly stop working? Put on some BGM and then I will find out. Oh yeah, my headphones just suddenly stopped working. Great. Okay, they just turned themselves. Nothing serious then. Good. Then the annoying thing is I tried to get this goddamn background to be white, but it just doesn't want to be white. Maybe in the BTTV settings. Nope. Oh, and if I enable hyper chat, wow. I love it. Okay. Let's try this last time. Let's see if this code here should still work. Let's just quickly run it. Yeah, it displays position on the tablet and at only a polling rate of 60 Hertz. Annoying. Okay. Sorry for a moment. Apparently it thought I wanted it to change to it. I hate YouTube. How did we ever let YouTube be so shitty? Why did I have to make it shitty? Like, anyway, enough failing. Okay. Then, so this code still works, but it doesn't. Doesn't run how I want it to run. I need to get a way to have motion event. Yeah. Not use this goddamn OnTouchListener, but how was it done in TouchRate Sampler? Yeah, it's like 370. means the touchscreen. The other one is the all historical movement rate. Means the touchscreen hardware sampling rate. It may change by the hardware power saving, blah blah blah. Okay. Let's just going to develop that. Burns use event. Oh. Hmm? Hmm? Because I need, okay, I need to also find a way to not have this one disconnect. Connection loss delay 0. That if see currently yeah, currently it doesn't work. Disconnect, yes. Go. Yeah. No, I just set it to 0. I just set it to like just some high number. Reference. There we go. That's on the screen. Largely when describes movements in terms of an action code unless etreff is values. Yes, yeah. Code. How would I run this? Not inside of OnTouchListener, but just run it always. Each pointer has a unique ID that is assigned when it goes down. As shown here, we have down, move, and up. And then just also does this get string to then have the touch info. Which is defined here. So then I just have to try and message an event. Is one of these 3. Okay. Where is event given? And is given by set OnTouchListener. Okay. Yeah, this encompasses all of that. Basically, I need something that reads events. That's not the OnTouchListener. Okay, so that's this file. And rename is F2, but F2 doesn't work. Where's the rename option? There is no rename option. Why is there no rename option? There isn't even like an open. There's the open in Explorer. Okay. Rename this and copy it and there we go. Right, why is it? Ah, there we go. You can only have one class name in a Android project. Oh, hiya, Crow. Nice to see you. Hope you're doing fine. Found an attachment. View. Durch nur schnell der Android already OnTouch event. Left in a custom view if it is not to handle touch events with this view, you can create a custom view. So I would want a new file. Custom view overrides OnTouch event, but not perform click. This here, drag touch event, and that's not needed right now. I can safely ignore that. So we have on create. Let's set the content view to this one. And find attach info. Okay. Hi bro. Hello George. Will this app be on CH Play when finished? What's CH Play? Let me check that. It will likely just be APK that you can download and run on any Android device, because uploading to app stores seems like too much of a hassle if I would like put it on multiple app stores. I just type in CH Play, just or is it CH Play App Store? No, it just shows me the Google Play App Store. Google Play Store, yeah. It will likely just be an APK that you can download from GitHub. That would be the easiest for me to do. Because putting stuff like on Google Play also, like, you need to register like a developer account and that takes money. In this example, the custom view class extends view on the OnTouchEvent method, and the OnTouchEvent method is overwritten to handle different touch. If you prefer to handle touch events using C++, then use the Android native development kit. Okay, or you might write a native activity. So instead of this, this custom view, I might want CMake. Why CMake? How does delivery into your application instance? Okay, now let's not do that. I don't think C++ will make this that much easier. is one generic event. And but that push events input there. Input manager. Seems like the input manager would be what I want to D raw input n. Yeah, I think this is what I really want. Or it gives me the Durchschnittlicher. This is hard to understand. Someone did make an app, and it's this app here, which actually captures the events at here it shows 333 Hertz, here the all historical movement rate 370, but it just can't get it to work because the only reference it's giving me is motion event. Right, only invokes on touch or on generic motion event. On generic motion event is also on at the screen refresh rate. Okay, good to know that. Devices that have jumping at the application run get the latest touch position immediately until invoking on touch. I got them Space Desk. It's okay, let me no, that Space Desk driver console, please show up. There we go. Okay. That should be fine, right? If I now close this and reopen it, it should still show me that I put in the This is lovely. Then whatever. Android will watch all the hard or touch events between the OnTouch invoke and use the tutorial method to read all. So I either have to use the NDK or maybe use this input manager that Wait. Okay. This I have everything's safely. Safely delete this out. Okay, why is it? Okay, it needs this true at the end. I don't know why, but it needs it. That. Right. Did I get rid of too much? Oh yeah, that can have it. Or something. Let's just go. Yes. Okay, should fine. What will happen if there are multiple input from the Android tablet? Okay, what I've done is that touch input is not gonna be recognized on the tablet or from the software, unless like you would either do touch input or pen input, and currently I'm only focusing on pen input. So currently for finger input I don't have anything. But yeah, I would have to think. I would probably then always use the latest touch event, like whichever finger came down latest on the screen. But for that I will need to learn more still. I've never before programmed an Android application, so it's currently a bit just guessing what I'm doing. There we go. let's see. Oh. Wait, what? Okay, that was weird. Are there any errors? If has empty body, that is fine. Input device, mismatch. Wait, required input device found input device question mark. Great. So technically the app is not going to support passive stylus and universal active stylus just yet. Yes. Currently the reason why I'm making it is because the thing is, this tablet, for example, is 60 Hertz. So what you're up to, making an app which reads the stylus information and lets me use this to play Osu on the computer. Because the tablet has a sampling rate of over 300 Hertz when I use the stylus. Most tablets like Wacom, XP-Pen, Huion, Gammon, those ones have rarely get even over 200 Hertz. So using an Android device would give you a much smoother experience. Just playing the game. But the thing is, when you use a finger, the sampling rate is 60 Hertz. On my phone, which I'm currently using as a camera right now, on my phone, the sampling rate is 120 Hertz because it has a 120 Hertz screen. But with like fingers and stuff, you most of the time won't get a high sampling rate. So it's currently my decision to just focus on stylus right now. The thing is, if I have stylus working, it shouldn't be too hard to also get other things working, like just normal touch input. For active stylus, I don't quite know how they work, but if they just simulate touch events, then yeah, that would also just work the same as a finger then. But yeah, those are still things I need to do. Wait, what? What was that? Sorry. Okay. I think my phone overheated. Did it? It might have just overheated. That would be weird. Oh well, not too weird. I was charging it and using the camera at the same time. Okay, I'll let my phone cool down for a moment and then I can turn the camera back on. That was not expected. Okay. available. Might return null of the device. Fix this. Null check. Oh, okay. Okay. Terms. Huh? What if I just... Nope. Yeah, okay. It's running in circles. Did you try to use Codium or Copilot or any? I'm currently using ChatGPT. So yes, because otherwise I would have no clue. Because this is something very niche. The thing is, these... Like, you cannot find anything on Google. And... yeah. I could... and like these AI tools just don't get it because it's too niche. The thing is, Codium is also just GPT, and the free Codium version is only GPT 3.5 as far as I know. So that would be a horrible idea. I'm currently just using ChatGPT at the website, because there I can use GPT 4.0 for free. But yeah. And Copilot is also just GPT. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Custom in-app. reduce latency in the graphic learning? No. Use further reduce latency using prediction? No, that would be bad. Predictive algorithms. I don't build that brushes. No effect. Gentle stripe. No. Stylus low latency, but it's motion predictions. That would be horrible for OSU. Android document. No, I did this. That's medium. Why am I in a medium article? Don't use full screen rendering such as gaming. Yes. Okay, Okay, close it to hardware, possibly using native code with Android. Okay. Okay. Then let's try native C++. Very nice. Android 7.0 support should be fine. I could do Android 4.1 support. That would support probably nearly 100% of Android devices. But yeah, no. I think Android 4, there wasn't even like a Galaxy Note or something with like touch input. But yeah, let's just do Android 7 for now. With that, the APK also shouldn't be too outdated. Okay. Have you been able to send any coordinates to the PC yet? That I could either do that via Wi-Fi, which would just introduce latency, which is not good, or I could do it over USB. I have been able to, partially, yes. I could do this, and hide this for a moment. Here's code. Let me open the right Android. Oh god, which is it? There, this folder. And if I use this here uses currently this thing. Well, I could just run it. Wait, is it working? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, now then. Not do that. Or that's this screen, yes. Control F. And here. Now I am controlling it with the tablet. I think my phone should have cooled down enough. Doesn't feel hot anymore. So I'm gonna try turning it back on. I'm gonna try turning it back on. Or did the battery just like completely die? Okay, the battery died. That's what the problem was. Seems like the cable wasn't charging fast enough. That would be weird. The cable should not have that kind of problem. And the battery, like the power bank that it was connected to, is still full. Okay, but yes. I am able to send data from tablet to the thing. Like I can even click, but okay. Okay, it seems this solution I cannot drag right now. Yeah, I can only like click for a moment, but when did I disable dragging? Oh right, I was able to drag and then I started using vMulti, right. I can also send tilt and pen pressure. Because currently I'm using something called vMulti, which is virtual multiple HAD driver, which allows me to also send pen pressure to the system. So you could use the application also as an, if you wanted to use your tablet for drawing on the computer. And I did support dragging, but with this one I'm currently not supporting dragging. Like, if I click and move the cursor, it just disappears. And as you can see, if I like try to drag this, it just stops. But yeah. And this thing is quite confusing. So I still have to figure it out a bit, but I can send data. Though currently yeah, this was the old thing where I just used the Windows API. ADB is called the Android Debug Bridge, and it's another tool that you would need to install, so currently it's not great. Though I can send information without that from USB to PC, or from the tablet to the PC via USB, just not at the moment. But that is the step after. Currently I still need to capture, like have my original goal capturing the data at high refresh rates. Because I could also, I think, no. Polling rate first. Yeah, here. If I use this, for example, and here use my mouse, you can see, wow, 900 Hertz. Like, this is my mouse polling rate. If we go clear, and I do it with the pen. Okay. That's not supposed to happen. What? Why is... Why is it around 350? That's not supposed to... Okay. Huh? I cannot explain this. It's supposed to be like something... Well, it's supposed to be like a stable 144 Hertz. Not 350, 360. No, I'm just gonna... Oh, no, do it. Down here. Windows is not going to like what I just did. Oh yeah, it really doesn't like what I just did. Anyway. Seems like the stream is still going, let's try it again. Okay, yeah. But it's still... that's... Still 350 for kinda lower right now. Okay, it's also lagging. Like, okay, let's clear. Let me... Okay. Let's Control C. Crash the script. Control Y. Rerun it. Start. Okay. Yeah. Okay, ADB also has the problem where sometimes it just suddenly lags. So maybe I've seen... Wait. Why can I drag now? Wait. What? Or is the website just working like this? Okay, yeah, the website is working like this, yeah. Here I cannot drag anymore. But if I... Okay. This is confusing. Why is it working? Okay. Yeah. The thing is, if I do it via the app, it's not gonna work anymore. I know that because this is working over ADB, Android Debug Bridge, as I said earlier. Via like this and this command. It's with these two commands that it's working. Which are like system commands, and you need a whole nother thing installed, and so I can't do it via that. That would just be too much to ask, kind of. Too much to install. Okay, Windows is not gonna like that again, but I don't care. One moment, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. My phone's charging again. Also turn it back on. But yeah. So let's crash this and close it again. And I'm just gonna screen record instead of like auto program. There. With the indicator, you can access such events at lower level. You might allow you to capture data that have. Yes. We'll purchase data for native development, including C++ support. This flickering is vague. I hate CMake. So confusing. I should probably just learn CMake at some point. I'm just gonna do toolchain default, and I have too many things open. Okay, this goes here, and this goes here. This, close that. Close that. There. My PC is probably screaming for RAM right now because JetBrains IDEs eat a lot of RAM. So what is the sampling rate of the tablet though? The Android tablet, like 360 Hertz. That's what, and we were very close to that in the like polling rate test, or like 333 to 360, 370 maximum. Like, it is not very consistent, but with my mouse, it's also not very it's even less consistent. So having it like over 300 or like close to around 350 is quite interesting. But yeah. Okay. Let's take this. Let's go here. Mostly copy the layout. Find tools. Android ID is touch info. I'm also gonna add this here. Android ID equal at plus ID root layout. Layout. Android layout. Why is that not supported? Well, whatever. Ah, that's why it uses these ones. Okay. Size 18 SP. I'm having Redmi Pad Pro and I only have 240 Hertz pen input. Okay. Or you know, it's still faster than most like graphics tablets. But yeah, if you want to test it, there's an app called blah 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 touch sample rate tester. It's on the Google Play Store and it's by a developer called Nekomimi Cafe, if I remember correctly. Touch sample rate tester. And this is what like gave me the info. Oh hey, this is actually possible. Text gonna see. Cannot resolve stand for symbol, yes. He's fine. Red string. Oh, right. No. Huh? What just happened? Oh. This program is so stupid. It does just work, but at the same time it just doesn't. Okay. My phone is back on. So the latency is a bigger issue when you try to do this. I think the latency is yes, that too. And earlier when I used ADB, sometimes it just lags. Like, you have stutters, micro stutters, which you feel very strongly. Yeah. Manifest. Activity. Android name is android.app.native activity. Android people string app name. Okay, redundant. Dot. Android config changes. What? There we go. Rotation keep hidden. Metadata. Okay. But yeah, latency is definitely. But the thing is, latency. If I only had 60 Hertz, the latency would be 16 milliseconds, which in OSU can be a lot. If you have a 16 millisecond latency, then it's either you get a perfect node or you just get 100. So yeah. Alright. Oh, cool. PC is just lagging. Not anymore. There we go. Oh, okay. I should not have closed it apparently. And, let's just not maximize, minimize it. Yeah. Okay. Right. I wanted to string. Huh? There we go. We have app name. And then we'll also add these. Touch info default, and then my activity, yes. Great. Sample text, right, sample text is not sample text, but touch info, yes. Touch info. I hate the, like, spelling correction. Pen to PC, native, interoperative. It doesn't, like, recognize that it's the name of the goddamn application. I should drink something, I just noticed. Okay. Wait, what? Why is this Kotlin? Why is this Kotlin? What? Oh, yeah. Should probably not mess with native lib, right? Alright, this. No, this is just the hello world. That and oh yeah. New header file. just do test. Nope. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that's always like free in here. Is it? No. This code logs the x and y coordinates of touch events in real time. The A looper pull all function allows for continuous polling, which may capture events at time. The what? Right. Oh. Okay, I can't control set anything here. Yeah. Right now. That's what it does. Yeah. That's what it does. Okay. And we pick it here. Ah, there's just the J and I.H. Right, now this works. Okay. And I just delete this. Save this. Still work here. No. If I put back in, save. Works now. Could be private. I don't know. I don't care. Oh, okay. See you, Aqua. Done. We're probably sleeping, right? I think you're going to sleep. log is already in there. Just, the log should already be in here, so that I don't know. Echt. Ja. Include Android input.a. Oh, suddenly. Add library this bug. Yes. Okay. Let's this. It's quite a bit slower than the other day. Well, at least I'm streaming. I haven't done that in a couple days. That. Get something. No, number this off. Why can't I? A moment. Oh, the Twitch stream just like disconnected apparently for no reason. You can on Twitch. Okay. Back. Wait. Okay, it was because of that. I was suddenly hearing like some buzzing noise. That was weird. Just want to copy there. There. Did it really use on input event? I'm gonna forget. No, on touch on generic motion, yes. Fine. What? Range. Or do I have to put it here? I hate that I can't drag them. Like I want to change the position of the tabs, but you can't just drag a tab. No. What is that? Okay. Oh. Bit of native activity, shouldn't it be like something about that? Native activity. What? I'm confused. Be annotated with emphatic needed native. Wait, why is it using this name native lib? That's should be that one, right? Should be. This is so the library should be the project name. Ugh. Yep, of course. Of course. What the fuck? Hmm. Yeah, before it was this one, which is now not needed anymore, apparently. Ah, yeah. God. Yeah, that's why you just don't paste text from goddamn. Okay, apparently that is fun. No. It's not. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's not. That. Yeah, because there is nothing here. And that's it. This. Sue. Okay. Hello, Agnetic. Agnetis the... I don't know. Just say which one was correct, the first or the second one. Currently working on this, but I am just having issues because I don't understand Android programming. But nice to have you here. How about I try this? Because it can't get any worse. But yeah, how are you doing? Okay. This is probably also not gonna get it. Like. Oops, sorry. I've barely profiled yet. No, you didn't? Oh, if you have. Glitch scatter, hello. Nice to have you. Yeah, this is... like... I probably should not rely on Gemini, because that thing thinks if you program in C+, you need to be 18 or older, because apparently it's unsafe. Hope you're doing well, Glitch Scatter. I am stuck on this, and I'm still no bit further. Motion events with action move may batch together multiple movement samples within a single object. Earliest coordinates within the batch are accessed and get historical X. Your coordinates are historical so far only in so far as they are older than the current coordinates in the batch. However, they are still distinct from any other coordinates report Should I have just been reading more? I see you don't have your VTuber anymore. Kurt, at the moment not. I'm doing alright, surviving out here. Because I'm also working with this stuff and it uses... Like, VTube Studio eats a lot of RAM, this stuff eats a lot of RAM, and yeah. I'm doing alright surviving out here. Hey, at least alive. Okay. So let's get back to this one. Activity. Okay. I was already thinking, why is everything red? Right. Open Explorer. Delete. Rename. This to that. Uncomment everything here and okay. Now the main activity again and okay. So there is get X, but I should have just been reading a bit more. Because just now I think I might have found another hint. Earlier coordinates within the batch are accessed using get historical x int and get historical y int. The coordinates are historical on blah blah. To process all coordinates in the batch in time order, first consume the historical coordinates and consume the current coordinates. I'm consuming all samples for all points. Okay. I might have made progress just now. I might have actually made progress just now. Oops. So warm. Imagine reading couldn't be me. That's my problem too, like... I'm like in documentation and doing stuff, but then I'm just... I don't read the documentation far enough to get all the value out of it. I think I need to add to 720 because okay, do you see this? What? Why is there so much lag when it's like... Huh? in the camera. The thing is, okay, no, like this camera, like this one here, the actual one, is it's over Wi-Fi, but the lag is minimal. But then the one in OBS is so far behind. Oh, there we go. It was because I was using the Vice defaults, and I think then it was using 4K resolution. I just manually changed it to 720p now, to like force it to 720p. And yeah, that is so much better. Okay. It was just a settings issue. Instead of X, Y, oops, I want val action equal event dot action masked. Yes. No. Wait. It is. Oh, okay. Then let's run argument count request format sub. What was it before? Yes. Okay, it just decided that it doesn't want that there. Something really annoying. Like the t-shirt has, for some reason, one of the stitches has become like a rough edge and it's like just itching. I know. There. Quicker. Yeah, then. Let's do this. Just. Throw the whole shirt away. No. Maybe it'll just be fine after washing it once again. What? Where? Okay, then it's just, why can't they just, like, delete? There is no C++ happening. Why is it Gradle? That's I wanted. There is nothing indicating C++. But why is it breaking? App source. Oops. Main. A++. See if it's fine with just an empty file. Ah, it's fine with just an empty file. Amazing. Ach du heilige Scheiße. For one, let's take out this line. Rerun it. Makes sense, yeah, makes total sense. The problem right now is still all this data if you're not seeing this, then let me. It's having a bit of a stroke. But yeah, because it's centering it always. There goes Space Desk. Layout center in parent. False. Yeah, okay, now it's just on top left corner. But yeah, there are always like several positions per. It's not easy. I just said don't center it. I know that works. But I think like this, it's still. Okay. But at least now I know these batches exist and like I can read the whole batch. But yeah. But right now get to a point where See. Just noticed we have the same keyboard and mouse. The Logitech, I don't know, this way around. Yeah, there. G502 Hero. And then I forgot it's a Cherry keyboard. Does it say it on the bottom? No. It's a Cherry keyboard. A low profile one, because I wanted a low profile one. Okay. Yep. Okay. So, good news, bad news. See it? Look at that all historical movement rate of like something like 350, 370. Bad news. I don't know how to read the data as not a batch, but a continuous input of like a continuous input stream. I could do it, but with 16 milliseconds of delay, which is bad. Yeah. Because all these inputs, like as you can see here, there's like always like historical X and Y. That's a list of inputs. And those inputs always come in the same time. Like that whole list comes in at the same time. Yeah. I don't know how to read it like all at once, or one after the other, without like, because I can only read the badge one at a time. I can't read them by themselves as they come in. Maybe. Let's go through the documentation again. Maybe something's in there. Maybe. But yeah. Process all coordinates in the batch in time order. First consume the historic coordinates, then consume the current coordinates. Yeah, Okay, let's see. I just noticed the switch overlay, like, oh. Yeah, it was like eating the last message, not showing it. There we go. Okay, if I can read the messages as they come in, that's amazing. In Android, emotion event class indeed processes touch events in batches for performance reasons, especially for complex gestures and multi-touch scenarios. However, if you need to handle each touch that comes in, you can do so by processing the emotion event action types such as action down, move, up. You can't avoid batching at a framework level. You cannot touch even. Okay. There might still be a way. Maybe. I wish it was just as easy as it was like via ADB. Because if we just go back into VS Code, like everything I can do is just do get event. And then I just filter. And then it just gives me it. Gives me what I want. Wait. Is it Monday right now? Yeah, it's Monday already. I could just do get event, but like in the app. But this get event, as far as I understand, is also just motion event, but somehow not constrained by stupid things. Wait. Let me try something. If I open this app. Ah yeah, okay, the finger is processed at like 117 Hertz or something. Or like, goes like 117 inputs. 120, whatever. Yeah. And okay, now this is from 2012. This won't help. Oh god. Using stylus near to capture touch bands of high frequency and speeds refreshrate. Some limited bandwidth default touch event and language synchronization refreshrate with a stem search or better handle high frequency. Increase touch sampling rate and motion and itself does not allow you to directly control the sampling rate. However, if your device stylus supports a higher polling rate and which should ideally capture those inputs better to deliver the refresh rate of the screen. Yes, that's the problem. Use OnTouch event directly over the OnTouch method in a custom view of your group to ensure that you're handling every touch event as soon as which gives you control over it. Thing is, at least I now understand that after like 2 hours of working today, I understand. Oh, it's badges. No, that just improves responsiveness. It's already responsive enough. Optimize touch event processing. What can go wrong? A This is just a warning. I don't need to care. City L. These should just be custom view. Hmm. Oh. Wait. Wait no. Uh-huh. Okay. Hmm. Multiple root tag. Unexpected tokens. Oh. Right, no. Still an issue. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what it. Oh. Installation failed. Oh, okay. Oi. Mhm. To determine whether your press touch runs faster than before, especially if you start with 6 bulk. Right, you can use cell approaches to diagnose and improve your touch event processing. Check country, enhance your touch data processing. First off, uh, let's comment this out. We don't need to calculate the historical data right now. Mm-hmm. And toggle line break. I'm not toggling anything on the. There. Hmm. Add time how long event processing takes. Add logging to your touch handling code to. Right at the end. Current time isn't changed, so why should I? And time. Yeah, Okay, my brain is... You know what? I think that's enough. My brain is slowing down. I cannot think anymore. I think I'll leave it at that for today. Anyway, I thank you guys for joining. I have some more time this week, so I don't know if tomorrow, but I will try to do another one in 2 days at least. And until then, I hope you're doing fine, and see you. Yep, it was nice seeing you too, Glitch. Thanks for stopping.